In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set user roles and permissions in Freshsales. Freshsales gives administrators control over what users can view, create, edit, delete, and manage inside the CRM. This is especially useful when you want different team members to have access based on their responsibilities, while keeping your data secure and organized. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside the platform, head over to the Admin Settings area. This is where you manage account-wide configurations, including users, roles, and access controls. In the Settings search bar, type in Roles, then click on it when it appears. This will take you to the section where you can review existing roles and create new ones. Now, click Create Role if you need a custom role for your team. Freshsales usually comes with default roles designed for common job functions, which can be helpful if your needs are straightforward. But if you want more control, creating a custom role lets you tailor permissions more precisely. For this example, enter Sales Representative as the role name. After that, choose Sales Manager as the role to clone. Cloning a role is a great time-saving feature because it copies an existing permission setup as your starting point. Instead of building permissions from scratch, you can duplicate a role that's already close to what you need, and then adjust it later if necessary. Once that's selected, click Next, and then click Save. At this point, your new role has been created and is available to assign to users. Next, click Your Profile, then go to the User Management area and select the user you want to assign the role to. After opening that user's profile, click Add Account. From there, select Account, and then choose Freshsales. This ensures you're assigning access within the correct product, which is important if your organization uses multiple Freshworks tools. Now, select Role and choose Sales Representative. This role selection determines what that user will be allowed to do in Freshsales. In other words, the role acts as the user's permission framework, helping you maintain consistency across your team and avoid giving broader access than necessary. Finally, click Confirm to apply the role. As an important best practice, always follow the principle of least privilege. Give each user only the permissions they need to do their job. This helps reduce accidental deletions, unwanted changes, and unnecessary exposure of CRM data. Also keep in mind that role and permission options in Freshsales can vary slightly depending on your edition or interface, so some labels may look a little different on your screen. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.